Don't be cautious, don't be kind. You committed, I'm your crime. Push my button anytime.
Hey guys, it's Friday. I'm not sure the date right now. Our lights are off. They've been off since 7 o'clock yesterday, Thursday. But I'm really praying for all the people in North Carolina who are affected by it more than the people in South Carolina. Okay guys, it is Monday. We have our power back on. Thank God. They just fixed it about probably 1 or 2 hours ago now. It's been a rough few days since Hurricane Florence in the last video I posted, which was 3 days ago. This video that you see now, I'm showing you the before Hurricane Florence, I'm sorry, and after. Anyways, I have footage of everything. It still looks pretty bad outside. We don't have school. The flooding is just horrible. We took a ride around town, different parts of town. The flooding is really bad. A lot of roads are closed off. A lot of our counties are flooded really bad. So there's no school for us tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next few clips. Okay guys, we officially started. Trees are blowing. See, the wind is like 28 miles per hour right now. We might have to move our car to the front. Aftermath of Hurricane Florence.
It's filling the house. It's cracked. Well, that part broke.
Over here, these branches are in the road. These areas are flooded. Keep going. Flooded.
We supposed to do this till when?
Till in the morning.
We got lights. And the other one right there.
That doesn't matter if they flood it out. This area is flooded too, and down here.
Damn way. Turn around, sir.
That is flooded.
I'm gonna go home to the house, I believe. Jesus Christ.
People are driving on this side because this side is flooded as so 2 years ago. Radio Shack once again is flooded.
When you come back,
All flooded, you guys.
what the hell? Did these people stay?
Back in here is flooded. Driving to see it. Back in there. They're stuck where they're at. It's water. Back in here.
You can't go away.
She can't get out of her house. She's literally stuck there. This is flooded. The school parking lot as well. Right over here next to Marion High School is flooding as well. And this was supposed to be one of the shelters. And over here, right next to the school directly, flooded, guys. Horses are flooding.
Get off of my bumper.
See here, their area is flooding. in here. Over in here is flooded. Back up in here. Back in this area. Our pond area right here. Shh, be quiet. Our pond area. It's a back shot view